Hi everyone, so today we're going to draw cherries on a stem. So first we're going to start out with the cherry branch. It's just going to be a little tiny rectangle at the top. And then we're going to go ahead and do the stems, which are going to come down from that branch. So we'll just have one come down this way, just like that. And then we'll have another one come down on the other side, like that. So next we're going to go ahead and draw our cherries. So we're going to start like partially up the stem. So it's going to be kind of a heart shape, sort of, because cherries are kind of heart shaped. Like that. And then right here where the stem ends, we're just going to draw a little half circle there. And then we're going to draw a little shine spot, like kind of where the sun is shining on it, because cherries are usually very shiny, so, and glossy looking. So then we're going to go ahead and draw another one on this side. So start partway up the stem and then kind of like a heart shape. Like that. And then right here at the bottom of the stem, we're going to do the little half moon. And then we'll do our little shine on the cherry. All right, so next we're going to do the leaves coming off the cherry stems at the bottom of the branch. So I'm just going to come out like this, just like that. Then we'll go ahead and draw the veins on our leaf too. And then we'll go ahead and put another one on the other side. Just like that. And then the veins on the leaf. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and outline our drawing with the black marker. I'm just going to start here at the stem, or at the, not the stem, the branch at the top, and then come down to the stems. Just be very, very careful, because we want to be able to color those stems in. They're very thin. All right, and I'll go ahead and do the leaves since I'm up here. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do our cherries. All right. So next we'll come in with our eraser, and we'll go ahead and just erase all those pencil marks. And we'll go ahead and color. So I'm going to use this bright red color for our cherries. And cherries can really, I mean, I've seen yellow cherries, orange, I've seen orange cherries. So if you want to color them that color, you can do that also. other one. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and color our stem and our leaves. I'm going to use this green for both. Okay, and then last but not least, we're going to color our stem. And I'm just going to use brown for the stem. Okay, and that's how you draw cherries on a stem. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have many other videos on my page and many more to come. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.